how to reset your Mac login password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you can try to reset options at the login screen. So boot up your Mac and go to the lock screen and then try entering your previous password. But make sure caps lock is off and the keyboard is set to correct language. And if nothing works after 3 failed attempts, look for a question mark icon or the message like reset it using your Apple ID or use recovery key. So select your preferred option and follow the on-screen prompts to reset via your Apple account. This method is easy and secure if your account is linked to your Apple account. And the next way is to reset via macOS recovery if login options don't appear. So go ahead and shut down your Mac completely and then press and hold the power button and you will see the loading startups option. Tap on the Options option and then tap on the Continue option to enter recovery mode. From there, you can tap on the Utilities option and then on Terminal, and in the menu bar, go ahead and type in Reset Password and then press Enter. Now follow the on-screen prompts to select your user account and create a new password. This is the official Apple supported recovery method and works even without Apple account credentials. So this is how you can reset your Mac login password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.